how to fix Instagram video not sending on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram video not sending on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then scroll down until you find here storage, and then click clean up. Now here we'll find junk files, this one here, junk files or cache. Just click on it and clean it. And then after that, after cleaning your cache, just go back to settings and then click apps, and then apps again, and go to Instagram and go to storage, clean cache here, and go to permissions. Just enable all of those here, camera and storage. And now just go to data usage and enable this one here, background data. You maybe will find it like that. Just click on it and go back, and now just click for stop, this one. Click on it and then just go back and just try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.